Good afternoon, everybody. Be safe and be positive. Everything will be fine. Okay? So, now it's time to start chapter number 5 from your book Up Act with the Sun. And name of the chapter is Tansen. Tansen was the only child of his parents. Naughty but talented, he imitated the calls of birds and animals perfectly. Once he tried to frighten a group of travelers by roaring like a tiger. Means being his parents' only child. Tansen was a naughty but skilled. Skilled means talented. He used to copy. Imitated means to copy something. He used to copy birds and animal sounds. So because of that quality, once he tried to frighten a group of travelers by roaring like a tiger. Having a such type of quality, he used this. So once he tried to frighten a group of travelers by roaring like a tiger. You may have heard the name of Tansen, the greatest musician our country has produced. All of us have heard about Tansen, definitely. So it was the greatest musician of our country has produced. A singer called Mukundan Misra and his wife lived in Bihar near Gwalior. Means Tansen was Mukundan Misra's son who lived at Bihar near Gwalior with his wife. Tansen was their only child. It is said that he was a naughty child. Often he ran away to play in the forest and soon learned to imitate perfectly the calls of birds and animals. Tansen was a naughty child. He used to go to the forest to play. There he learned the art of copying the sounds of birds and animals. He used to do this. A famous singer named Swami Haridas was once traveling through the forest with his disciples. Disciples means students. So, one day a renowned singer, very famous singer of that time, Swami Haridas, was crossing the forest with his students. Tired, the group settled down to rest in a shady grove. Tansen saw them. Feeling tired, they stopped under a shady tree to rest. And Tansen was looking at them. Strangers in the forest, he said to himself. It will be fun to frighten them. He hid behind a tree and roared like a tiger. He thought it would be fun to make strangers scared. So he hid behind the tree and made a sound like a tiger's roar. The little group of travelers scattered in fear, but Swami Haridas called them together. Don't be afraid, he said. Tigers are not always dangerous. Let us look for this one. Out of fear, all the travelers ran here and there. So, but Swami Haridas asked them to come and sit together, as there was nothing to be scared of. Tigers were not always dangerous. So, Swami Haridas told them that tigers was not always dangerous. Suddenly, one of his men saw a small boy hiding behind a tree. There are no tigers here, master, he said. Only this naughty boy. So, all of a sudden, one of the travelers saw a small boy behind the tree. He told Swami that there was no tiger, but it was a naughty little boy.